realistically and she bit
yeah
you for be camera continent so keke na you can say oh World Cup trophy no our continent so dey akwa our continent so
is it 2010 South Africa and you're back close
of course
very close and Morocco so
yes I think
very close
Morocco pa na ko closest with Nansia Katai. But say you did trophy neighbor there. South Africa because of hosting the trophy neighbor continent. So for us to play. This is the World Cup trophy. Now Edua, the entire discussing it giddy and say Rich in according to BPI, you see the most prestigious football competition yes. Nti eduwa obia pese onya akonya na otimi ebobi and eba every 4 years and it's a one mobia agisa wo twen 4 years answer na wetimi abobi now Rich on the 5th of December at the Kennedy Center Washington FIFA World Cup 2026 draw no ebekoso US and enkoma yedi ne boy ya yebebo ne ne ene de yebeto so Monday no Rich yeni so de nhu nyina ne say nyame ye adom na 5th December to ye ya say event na ekoso at the Kennedy Center Washington DC Rich yesu yebetimi atena TV achi yebetena internet achi ni yebetena radio achi ni ya baby a oman kunkunu Ghana group kura yebekom so all that we are doing is that on 5th of December, we want to be part of the draw. Rich, on the continent of Africa, these are the numbers any countries are qualified for the World Cup. I think we have 54 countries in Africa. Rich, only 13 bet and our World Cup. And common genuine. And you come on at all. Say, World Cup, no man who's on a Wukububi. Country on the continent, Abu World Cup, Cameroon 8 times. Followed by Morocco 6, Nigeria 6, Tunisia 6, Ghana about 4, Algeria 4, Senegal 3, Egypt 3, South Africa 3, Ivory Coast 3, DR Congo 1. Angola 1, Togo 1. Rich, only 13 countries.
Egypt is somewhere local champions. It do have comes here now.
And your campaigns.
It do work up.
Now they've played the World Cup only 3 times. Rich.
No for no call up on
Munyadi.
But we don't say Morocco.
But Morocco actually. Say Omunyadi, still they the North Africans hold Africans' best record at the World Cup. Rich, process now here from Nhyira is to climb up the ladder by saying the next time any picture we will say Ghana go 5. That is the aspiration of the nation. Now, Sir Uba CAF World Cup standings now. Rich, it is instructive to know say as at now Group A is led by Egypt. Group B is led by DR Congo. Group C is led by South Africa. Nigeria will be omuda. 4th, and Nigeria either in Group C. Group D, Cape Verde and at the top. Cameroon at the 2nd. Group D, Sanoman now. And somebody Sanoma will buy. Group E, Morocco at the top. Group F, Ivory Coast at the top. Then the last set of groups, in Group G, Algeria. In Group H, Tunisia, then in the last group, which is Group I, Rich, Ghana, and at that top. But the concentration is on this group. Group I, baby, Ghana, here one. Now, Rich, I know you about 7. There is a crunch game at Bamako between Mali and Comoros. Now, what should we are standing in the city now? Rich, I know we never catch there and say. Sa game no baby results be ko biya no see etimi se child area 1 ebe boy pa Rich ebe boy pa Rich, and run a qualifiers and starting with Africa. Seychelles Tifie, Gabon be show 4-0. You can take inspiration from this. Gabon went away to Seychelles. Omo ko show 4-0. And omo ko share omo ewo honum. Now Rich, and then you start to cry. You tiano, and you give me too early do know. Because any games in the door, but Ghana one near start here there, and some of the Akanina at me I follow our honum. Now, Rich, this was my point. Baby, a money done, any baby a Comoros done. Comoros enter a cheap with 3 points between Yenny Omo. Azumi Mali beat them today. Rich Mali ever 12 points with Comoros. Then make Comoros lose any approach. Biasa Ome add up to 1 points. No, and Rich, see it Misha Child echo 18. Results be a basic between Mali and Comoros Biano. It will consolidate Blasters your chances for qualifying to the World Cup. In the event somebody number Comoros be say Omwa Rich, even before they will meet us on Monday, they would have lost the fight. Say Omun team qualify and Comoros World Cup. No, if they beat Comoros on Susua, Rich Comoros are there to pay. No, it means that they will have a certain setback. Dear Chato Rich, only the ATR. We must beat Chad, Kianake, and Eno. Or more points. One you there. It will come back to haunt you. They are just giving it away. Omo consider 15 goals in 6 games. Omo only 1. And the Omo points new goals. Yeah, already a year away home. And what's your side 2 or more? Rich, near 3 maximum points, you know, if you are chain. And that is the job of the squad. And okay, you see, Alexander Juku now say or call Russia because or moving from Fenerbahce to a club or Russia. And see the contract once and semine or signing new contract until or ye late. And in prepare, I mean, say Juku about obedu enra. Or Ghana, but on team flying coachard and sign no moment or 10 so I'm back and then he joined them for tomorrow training. Now after you prepare for Mali game, you know. But this okay say Joseph Peso also our excuses. Joseph Peso issue and say that here. Also about US. So he was supposed to fly from Las Vegas to New York and catch a plane from New York to Ghana. Rich or you late from Vegas to New York, or do New York, no, not flight net to Ghana.
Maybe I will late.
It's
the last time
yes, and I see a visa issues. And that is the correct.
Passport of you.
Yes, the correct information on pencil. They say he was late to reach New York, and went to me and catch the flight to Ghana. Rich, how do we play this game? Simple. Playing with time. You waste time. I was here. Fat cause be brave. It is a game we want to win, and we know Otto too. Whether home away, he wants to approach the game, you know, in a certain shape. And to send the name Blasters, you know, Rich, we always want to play in a 4-2-3-1. 4-2-3-1 na yebono. Rich, because we are not expecting Chad for to attack us brave because they are not so good. And they are not so good. And any team are rich about attacking brave. We shouldn't be so much afraid of team and furniture. Say if that is the approach they are. Not say yeah to say you have Rich, then I think say we must play a lot of the attacking players now. You see, let me officer me no fifi on this point. I'm gonna say and Kebenya you rest your players nibi because Mujidi say Mali game no a tough na a bigger game.
Say you restore Mukra, at least you there. A moment on a bench, a baby and a
Rich, for me, the best NSA, we should play per the circumstances of what child no. Your best players. See a better ancient them. So that then we can withdraw them to come and rest. Because Rich, meeting me a catcher will say, because Chad obligation, you know. I can't say I was a show movie. But Mali dear, ya ko show more mama kunara. See ya draw power fear. Between you and me, the dynamics is that out of the 6 between us, you are 4. They only have 1. And even if you say name, Comoros in Paul near challenge, you know, and so date Obama Koa. Say Comoros and Yanko Shamali, it means the year to Koya Malino, Comoros and Yanko, yes, but Rich, child, dear. Obi obekonu ho so na ekoni pako ho obi ese no before me go into me power 11 no okay any child game no Rich, we scored I think 2 of our goals as a 3 from set pieces. Omuntimi defend the corners no, they are not able to defend the free kicks. Intimation mu say crosses in the box, any set pieces Rich, we should maximize it. And enuntina me say, in the absence of Juku, I think say Jerome Opoku will help us because of the height. No, Jerome Opoku right-sided center half, Salisu Sariki left-sided center half. Then, if you need the crosses into the box, they are Rich, Gideon Mensah and Tariq are best pair of lateral defenders, especially when a gamer we want to attack more. These are 2 best attacking lateral defenders are your team. Now, Rich, we will need 1 defensive midfielder. And between Ilasa Owusu and Ibrahim Osman Mono, we will need 1. I will go for guy who free Atlanta. Now we'll move it to Bologna and Siano, Suleiman. So I will play Suleiman as your main DM. And instead of playing double pivots, Rich, a child, you're more with Thomas Partey.
Okay.
It's your Partey as your number 8. And see, Suleiman Ebumiano, now Partey from deep, a playmaker, so that we can play Kudus as your number 10. Then your 2, no, Semenyo must play on the right. On the left, between Kamaradin and Inaki, I think Sir Kamaradin will do well for a game that we need to attack and stretch. Now you more Jordan as your main striker because or your captain and or your leading goal scorer or the World Cup qualifiers. Rich, with this team, say any football and a BBA team is here. We should be able to beat them from deep. We can control the game. Your players are in tight spaces. Or make match now or my create in Kudus. Say ever set pieces are. Now we have one of the finest set pieces coach. Okay, technical team, you know what? Or my a lot of improvements outside area honum. Then we will have the height and the control. Any BBA. Meaning so baby some say before I bet national. What can first 11 alpha players one end up on Benjamin Asai should be there.
Okay.
There is no reason I was this on side on your error on your BBA. Benjamin Asai should be there at least on one parage. Ghana for sum Edinachi on that side no. Now me maintenance rich. So the FIFA no and just your African games in the pay. Europe so ebo World Cup qualifiers. Spain ebo and Belgium bebo, Germany bebo and until there are some few odds be which mama from ya hefona omuntwabi na yentimi enko ye nimtimi se aje na also so efa eye de wode beye ewo ehonum where na me good. So these are the odds no. First one a B W F 0C 3883. Second one a B W F 0C 6133. And the last one a B W F0C, F589. And these are the three odds no. Obetimi afa na watcha e bet way. Only for the international break, AFCON qualifiers, any Europe qualifiers no matches no kwa. And e wo na reach also wo prediction is saying.
Oh, you be share.
You be share your prediction.
Sir.
You be share